Hello everyone. In continuation to our topic analytical geometry, this is question 16. A, B are 2 points 3, 4 and 5, -2. Find a point capital P such that PA is equal to PB and area of the triangle PAB is 10 square units. Let us draw first a triangle. So we will call this as P, this as A, and this as B. So we are going to consider this P as X, Y, which we have to find. A, it is already given as 3, 4. B is given as 5, -2. First, let us find out the area, which is already given. Area of triangle PAB is given as 10 square units, which means half times modulus of x1. So let us consider this as x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so now modulus of x1 times y2 minus y. Instead of y3, it is y now, plus x2, y3, instead of y3, it is y, minus y1, plus instead of x3, it is x, and y1 minus y2. This is given as 10. Substituting the values, we will have 1 by 2 times modulus of x1, which is 3, y2, which is -2, minus y, x2, that is 5, y, minus y1, which is 4, plus x times y1, which is 4, minus y2. So minus or -2, it becomes +2, is equal to 10. Now cross multiplying this 2 means this 2, if I take it to right hand side, it will get multiplied with the 10. So we'll rewrite this as modulus of 3 into -2, it becomes -6. 3 into -y, it is 3y. Then 5y minus 20 plus 4x, or I will directly add up those two. That is 4 plus 2 and write it as 6x under modulus should be equal to 20, because we are taking that 2 to the right hand side, it will get multiplied with the 10. So this we will simplify. If we add these two, you get 2y, means 6x plus 2y minus 26 is equal to 20. This means that minus of 6x plus 2y minus 26 is 20, or positive, means 6x plus 2y minus 26 equal to 20. That means minus 6x minus 2y plus 26 equal to 20, or 6x plus 2y is equal to, let us take that -26 to the right hand side, it will become positive 26, which will get added with 20, so you get 46. This side you can write minus 6x minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 26 is -6. So this side it is. Let us simplify this equation by dividing both sides by 2. You will get 3x plus y equal to 23. This side we will divide both sides with -2. We will get 3x plus y equal to 3. So these are the two equations we got. So from this, we will write y as 23 minus 3x. From this, we will write y as 3 minus 3x. Consider this as 1, this as 2. Further, the question says that PA is equal to PB. Given PA equal to PB, which means that PA the square should be equal to PB the square. That means, what is PA? X minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square should be equal to PB the square. That is x minus 5 the whole square plus y minus or minus. So y plus 2 the whole square. This is x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y is equal to x square plus 25 minus 10x plus y square plus 4 plus 4y. Let us cancel x square on both sides, y square on both sides. Bring everything to left hand side. So that means first we will add these two. 25 minus 6x minus 8y is equal to 25 minus 10x plus 4y plus 4. Let us cancel 25 on both sides. Now bring all those things to the x coefficients and y coefficients. We will bring it to the left hand side. So you get 10x minus 6x minus 8y minus 4y is equal to 4. Right. So that becomes 4x minus 12y equal to 4. Simplifying this by dividing both sides by 4, we get x minus 3y equal to 1. So this is, let us call this as third equation. Now, substituting 1 in 3, we get 3 is x minus 3 times y. What is y in 1? We'll go to 1. 3 minus 3x. 3 minus 3x is equal to 1. That means x minus 9 plus 9x equal to 1. That means 10x equal to 9 plus 1, 10. You get x as 1. So now from 1, y is 3 minus 3x, which is 3 minus 3 times 1, which is 0. So therefore, p x comma y is p 1 comma 0. That is one answer. Now substituting 2 in 3, we get, now what is 3? 3 is x minus 3 times what is y into it is 23 minus 3x. 23 minus 3x, that is equated to 1. Now further simplifying this, x minus 69 plus 9x equal to 1. That means 10x is equal to 69 plus 1 is 70. That means x is 7. Now that x is 7, so we can now say from 2, y is 23 minus 3x, which is 23 minus 3 times 7, which is 23 minus 21, and that is 2. Therefore, p x comma y will be p 7 comma 2. Therefore, we can say the coordinates are either 1 comma 0 or 7 comma 2. 7 comma 2. That is the solution for this particular question.